What's up, guys? Welcome back to Rome Reviews. I'm Rome, and today I want to touch on the best places that I've found to purchase the X200 Ultra and what the experience is like across the site and what the prices look like. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this. So, you'll see that right now I have Geek Wheels up on my phone, and this, I guess what I'm going to do is just go down the line and say, hey, this is the website I've used, and this is the price on that website, and these are the potential discounts and what your potential experience could be. So yeah, we're gonna do that for each one of these. So it's three, and I'm gonna throw in a fourth option, AliExpress. But that experience, AliExpress can be kind of weird, and I'll show you why in a little while. But anyway, Geek Wheels, as you can see on the screen, they do have the X200 Ultra for pre-order, even though it says buy now. It is a pre-order because they're not shipping them out until I think either the end of this month or the first week of May, if I'm not mistaken. So they have a coupon code here for $50. And before we even look at the price, I wanted to show you guys something. If you scroll down, if this is going to be your first time using Geek Wheels, if you subscribe now, you can get up to 10% off your first purchase, which is pretty cool. I am not sponsored by Geek Wheels at all, but I just thought that was something nice to mention to people that may be their first time purchasing. So if we go into the device, you'll see they got all three of the colorways up there, which is pretty cool. You'll see that the starting price, I'm just going to choose black. It's the first option. The first option is going to be 12 gigs, 256 gigabytes, and it's going to be $10.99 USD. If you click on 16 gigs, that price jumps up $100. It's going to be 16 gigs and 512. So I feel like that's the biggest jump across the board between these two. And if you click on the third option, it's still going to be 16 gigs of RAM, but 1 terabyte storage. But you see that that price difference changed quite a bit. It's $200 just for an additional 512 gigabytes. I feel like that's crazy. I feel like they need to include something for such a huge price increase. But other than that, typically when I order, the last time I ordered from Geek Wheels, I got the product within a week or two. I think they do 5 to 10 business days. I know shipping will say something different, but long story short, it's going to be 5 to 10 business days before you get the device. Now, without populating it, you'll see that you have priority mail, which is the cheaper option, $10.45. I hope that's showing up for you guys. But you see this, the slower option is 10 to 15 days, and the other faster option is going to be $30, which is 5 to 8 days. That's the option that I believe I went with the last time because I wanted to get my device quicker, and that's why it resulted in those 5 to 10 business days as opposed to 10 to 15. And that's going to be kind of across the board for each of these sites. So, for example, we'll jump over to Giztop. And I have the photography kit up there, and I'll show you why in just a moment. But if we go back to the Vivo X200, so something I want to mention off the top is Giztop. They're not offering a $50 coupon or anything like that, and you only get a 5% sign up bonus. I mean, not bonus, but discount on the phone if you sign up. If you're a first time shopper on this site, so the discount is smaller, and you're not getting that $50 on top of that. Okay, so let's keep it moving. We're gonna pick the phone. We're gonna just choose black, first option, and we're gonna go through. All right, so the prices are gonna be exactly the same as Geek Wheels, but without the discounts. So 16 gigs, 512, $11.99, just like the other website. And 16 gigs, 1 terabyte, $13.99. The $200 jump again, which is insane to me. I feel like that's a lot just to get additional storage. I feel like that's almost abusive. But the benefit of Giztop is they're the only site that I found that offers the photography kit right now. Just from what I found, if anybody has found a photography kit on any other website right now for a decent price, because this one is listed at $199. It comes with the handle, the case, the rings, and the additional lens and the adapter to attach the lens to the, I mean, the adapter is right there to attach the lens to the camera. This is like a stand for when you sit your phone down. It doesn't put like a lot of pressure on the, it doesn't have your phone tilted, putting pressure on the lens as opposed to, you know, having to stand there to help it stand up nicely. Let me see if they actually show that in action. Let's see. They do not. They do show the lens on there. But anyway, GetStop is the only site that I've found so far. So the shipping experience is going to be the same. And I'll just blur that out in editing. So yeah, you'll see the slower option is registered post air mail, 12 to 25 days, which is crazy for $21.99. But for just an extra $8, you can get to 7 to 12 days, which I think that's what they're trying to push you towards. with that such a small price difference, to me, $8 is a much smaller price difference than what we were getting here, which was additional $20 to get it shipped faster. So that's that. GetStop offers the photography kit. That's one of the perks of shopping with them. And then over here to WondaMobile. And let me pull up the X200 Ultra real quick. On average, the WondaMobile options are going to be $20 more for each model. So, for instance, 12 gigabytes, 256 gig storage, $11.99 as opposed to $10.99. I mean, I'm sorry, $11.19 as opposed to $10.99, which is that additional $20 on top of there, which is weird to me. And the same goes here. Instead of $11.99, it's $12.09, additional $20 on top of there. I'm sorry, it's going to be an additional $10 on top of there. So $11.19. Let's compare that one really quickly. The base model is $10.99. So yeah, it's $20 here. Only $10 here, which is interesting. The biggest bang for your buck you're gonna get is with this. You're gonna get $13.49 for the terabyte size of storage. So it's $50 cheaper than the other two sites. And on top of that, if you use the bank transfer, you're gonna get that additional 4.2% discount. So this one is, you don't have to sign up. There's no sign up discount or anything like that. Unless I don't think you have to sign up. And you get the 4.2% discount, which looks like they already put it on there. So if I click off, $13.49. If I click on, $12.92. So it brings it down much closer. So that's that. But that's only if you're going to use the bank transfer discount, where this site becomes like a really viable option. I haven't been able to find a photography kit on this site. It doesn't mean that they don't have it. It just means that I can't find it. So those are those three options, and I'll go ahead and touch on AliExpress. They are weird. So first off, the shopping experience is kind of odd. What I typically do is look at their rating and how many of the devices that they have sold. You will see that they do list them multiple times sometimes, but I look at how many they've sold and what the store rating is for that location. I mean, for that store that's selling it. On top of that, each one of these you'll see the price is like very appealing, $9.99 compared to the other sites. But then you see that shipping at $105, and it brings it back up there to where you are with the other sites. And you have more direct customer support. Now you do have, I have had a pleasant experience from the stores that I have purchased from on AliExpress, and this is the app that I have an affiliation with. But the shipping is $105 to bring it back up there, and it's just like, eh. But even with that $105 on there, let me calculate real quick. Not a strong math whiz by any means. So let me make sure this is right now. The base model, let's see, buy now. Let's do red, 16 gig, so 1136. So the base model with the additional shipping would be 1104, which is, you know, 1104. I think that's going to be cheaper than the other sites. Let's see, go down. No, it's actually slightly more, but that's before shipping on these sites. So you have to do a little math to see which one is going to get the best deal or whatever. But I feel like Geek Wheels with their $50 off and their first time sign up bonus is going to give you the biggest deal out of the others. Uh, this one doesn't really offer any real deals, except for it does offer the photography kit. This one gives you a pretty decent discount if you use the bank transfer. So those are the options. I just wanted to put them all in one place for you guys to see them and see what you're going to get. So oh, and I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I purchased from WondaMobile for one reason and one reason only. Just to see what the experience is like, because I purchased from the Geek Wheels and Giztop, and the experience is really nice. I mean, they do respond in a decent time when you reach out to them, because I did get nervous with I want to say Giztop. I got nervous with them because my device hadn't shipped out after a few days, and they just told us that we're kind of backed up, and we do take the phone out and set it up, which I would prefer that they don't do that, but they do take it out and set it up with the Play services and the Play Store. But I can do all that stuff myself, so I prefer that they not do that and just go ahead and ship it out. But anyway, they are responsive. I'll say that. Alright, so initially I had left AliExpress out of the running because I felt like while the base price of the phone for the base model, I'm just comparing base model to base model, and it's going to be across the board, but when you look at base model, $9.99 for the 12 gig, 256 gigabyte of storage, the shipping is what threw me off a little bit, because I was like $105 for shipping. And on top of that, AliExpress, the experience of shopping is not quite as clean as the other sites that I was showing. Like on AliExpress, you do have to look at multiple sellers. Now, they do put them all in one place. I will give them that. But the experience felt cleaner on the other sites. You go to the website, you buy the phone. You don't have to shop and see, oh, what's the stores that's selling it? What is their rating? How many have they sold? Can I trust this seller, this reseller? When you go to this website, you're going to go ahead and pick your size, pick your phone, your payment method, and buy it. And that was pretty much the case across the board with these other sites. Now, AliExpress, you have to do a little more work. You have to look, he sold two. I wonder what their rating is like. And then you have to go and look at their rating. And then you need to see what their shipping is going to be like, which is over $100, which, I mean, brings the price back up there on par with the other sites. But like I said, I feel like you have to do a little more work with AliExpress. Now, don't get me wrong. The experience I've had has been nice, but I just want, put this all in one place and let you decide for yourself which site, which app, or whatever, which one you want to use, because I've been asked a couple of times. So I just wanted to put that all in one place for you guys and just go over it. So you could pick for yourself based on the information that I've given, and just pick. And if you have anything in the comments that you want an answer to, or anything I may have missed, or if you have tips for anybody that may be watching this video, drop them in the comments for us. Help us all out. Help us make this experience as smooth as possible. And until the next one, I will catch you guys later. I really appreciate you being here. The likes and the subscriptions and all the good stuff. I really appreciate it all. All right. I'll catch y'all later.